Sigh. My sand can only make a clunky little mound, but my cousin's computer is just a thin, flat board too. So how can it create a magical world, do math, and play cartoons?
Ding! Origin of all things exploration command detected. Mid-long form in-depth analysis mode engaged. Bobo, did you know that omnipidal brain inside your cousin's tablet is actually made from the very sand beneath your feet?
What? Sand turned into a supercomputer? That's literal magic! Take me to see it right now! Ordinary sand has tons of impurities. Scientists use supermassive fires to melt the sand and extract a magical element called silicon to make it absolutely pure. The purification level has to reach 99.9999999. That is purer than the purest gold in the world. Wow, the giant black pillar was sliced to thin discs that shine like mirrors. It is an incredibly elegant meme. The Wafer in the toe canvas for the Microchip. The canvas is ready, but how do we draw billions of wires on it? Even the finest pen in the world wouldn't work. So scientists built the ultimate machine in human history, the lithography machine. It acts like a super slide projector, using extremely faint extreme UV light EVVGs to directly print a circuit blueprint shrunk tens of thousands of times onto the wafer. Oh my goodness!
We've entered the nano world. It turns out that inside a chip the size of a fingernail, there is a super city built with over tens of billions of houses.
Every single open and close is a calculation. When tens of billions of transistors dance together, they can solve the hardest math problems and conjure up the most stunning video game graphics. This is the ultimate magic of silica! Kids, if we just look at sand, it will forever remain just a pile of loose sand.
But countless scientists and engineers, using their unyielding curiosity and astonishing perseverance, turned the most ordinary sand into super brains, capable of exploring the universe and connecting all of humanity. Right?
Write down your super ideas in the comment section. I'm in the Eastum to Tunchus Wait is a wrap. Explore the limits of black tech with Bobo. Bye-bye.